What is C programming? C is a general-purpose programming language that is extremely popular, simple and flexible. It is machine-independent, structured programming language which is used extensively in various applications. C was the basics language to write everything from operating systems, Windows and many others, to complex programs like the Oracle database, Git, Python interpreter and more. It is said that C is a God's programming language. One can say, C is a base for the programming. If you know C, you can easily grasp the knowledge of the other programming languages that uses the concept of C. It is essential to have a background in computer memory mechanisms because it is an important aspect when dealing with the C programming language. C is a structured programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1973 at Bell Laboratories. It is one of the most popular computer languages today because of its structure, high-level abstraction, machine-independent feature, etc. C language was developed to write the Unix operating system, hence it is strongly associated with Unix, which is one of the most popular network operating system in use today, and heart of Internet data superhighway. History of C language. The base or father of programming languages is ALGOL, short for algorithmic language. It was first introduced in 1960. ALGOL was used on a large basis in European countries. ALGOL introduced the concept of structured programming to the developer community. In 1967, a new computer programming language was announced called as BCPL, which stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. BCPL Basic Combined Programming Language was designed and developed by Martin Richards, especially for writing system software. This was the era of programming languages. Just after 3 years, in 1970, a new programming language called B was introduced by Ken Thompson that contained multiple features of BCPL. This programming language was created using Unix operating system at AT&T and Bell Laboratories. Both the BCPL and B were system programming languages. In 1972, a great computer scientist, Dennis Ritchie, created a new programming language called C at the Bell Laboratories. It was created from ALGOL, BCPL and B programming languages. C programming language contains all the features of these languages and many more additional concepts that make it unique from other languages. C is a powerful programming language which is strongly associated with the Unix operating system. Even most of the Unix operating system is coded in C. Initially, C programming was limited to the Unix operating system, but as it started spreading around the world, it became commercial, and many compilers were released for cross-platform systems. Today, C runs under a variety of operating systems and hardware platforms. As it started evolving, many different versions of the language were released. At times it became difficult for the developers to keep up with the latest version, as the systems were running under the older versions. To assure that C language will remain standard, American National Standards Institute, ANSI, defined a commercial standard for C language in 1989. Later, it was approved by the International Standards Organization, ISO, in 1990. C programming language is also called as ANSI C. Languages such as C++, Java are developed from C. These languages are widely used in various technologies. Thus, C forms a base for many other languages that are currently in use. Features of C language: it is a robust language with rich set of built-in functions and operators that can be used to write any complex program. The C compiler combines the capabilities of an assembly language with features of a high-level language. Programs written in C are efficient and fast. This is due to its variety of data type and powerful operators. It is many times faster than BASIC. C is highly portable. This means that programs once written can be run on another machines with little or no modification. Another important feature of C program is its ability to extend itself. A C program is basically a collection of functions that are supported by C library. We can also create our own function and add it to C library. C language is the most widely used language in operating systems and embedded system development today. How C works? C is a compiled language. A compiler is a special tool that compiles the program and converts it into the object file, which is machine readable. After the compilation process, the linker will combine different object files and creates a single executable file to run the program. The following diagram shows the execution of a C program nowadays. Various compilers are available online, and you can use any of those compilers. The functionality will never differ, and most of the compilers will provide the features required to execute both C and C++ programs. Following is the list of popular compilers available online. Clang compiler, Ming compiler, minimalist, new for Windows, portable C compiler, Turbo C. Summary. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. It is a robust language. It is a low programming level language close to machine language. It is widely used in the software development field. It is a procedure and structure-oriented language. It has the full support of various operating systems and hardware platforms. Many compilers are available for executing programs written in C. A compiler compiles the source file and generates an object file. A linker links all the object files together and creates one executable file. It is highly portable.